Let's talk about Muddyfox Girls Recoil 20 mountain bike. Steel dual suspension mountain bike frame, steel suspension front forks, steel MTB handlebars, steel handlebar stem, 6 Speed Shimano Tourney gears with Revoshift Shifters. A very nice well-made girl's bike, excellent for the money, was bought for my granddaughter's birthday. She is a small girl, age 8, and it fits her fine. She was really pleased, very happy girl. Bought for my daughter's 8th birthday, she a little small, but not bad. She loves the bike. Nice bike, daughter loves it.